The challenges in our industry as a manufacturer today are cost, supply chain. Cost is the biggest problem that we're having with our materials, with our labor, and with every dynamic that you have, logistics, transportation, everything that's affected in the manufacturing cost of any item or service.
Trends, technologies, with AI, with the Internet of Things, that's the thing, is staying ahead and keeping our finger on the pulse.
So I think a big challenge that we see that we just can't ignore is a lot of individuals that have a lot of boiler knowledge in our industry are aging out, retiring, and the unfortunate reality is a lot of that knowledge is not being passed down to the next generation, while at the same time encouraging the next generation of Boilermakers to join the industry and understand what we do, and to get excited about what we do and why it's such a fun space to work in.
One thing we can't ignore is the customer demand for more automation in our controls, right? The more sophisticated controls of the boiler. I think that's something that we just can't ignore. I think any manufacturer that doesn't pay attention to that is going to find himself on the outside looking in, because that's what a lot of customers are looking for.
Change is always constantly going on in our industry, where either it's regulations, if it's air quality regulations, we're seeing a lot of that. In California, we see a lot of air quality issues, and so they're constantly moving the bar lower and lower with emissions levels that the boilers and equipment need to be able to meet. And so it's trying to be able to be ahead of the curve on a lot of that. So that's some issues that we see, because there's a cost aspect of it, and we have a lot of, in California, over the last 25 years, 30 years, we've had a lot of rule changes over the years. And when you have those rule changes, you have these companies that are being compliant, but they're constantly having to change as well and grow with it, that probably people outside of California don't have to deal with. And so that's some of the changes, the investment that they have to put into their equipment and to be able to stay compliant.